All right, guys, so today I thought I would bring you guys a cool little thing where the wife and I start cooking. You ready to cook?
I'm ready.
You're ready. We are making chicken cutlets, but not fried in the pan. Air fried, the healthy way. Got the eggs. Yeah, whip it. Whip it good. Then we're gonna use some breadcrumb. And then some thinly sliced chicken tits. Here goes the breadcrumb. Oh, dude, let me get a smell. Oh, I love breadcrumbs. I love it. All right, we got this beautiful chicken tit here. Must have been like a double D or something. I don't know. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it. We're gonna put it in the egg. Nice. All right, here we go. Then in the breadcrumb. Breadcrumb. You know, just mush it in there. Get the breadcrumb all on it. Nice. Ooh, that shit look good. There we go. Keep it on the breadcrumb. Trust me. Do not judge the way we make them. Try for yourself, you're gonna love it, all right? Now usually if you fry it, I would put it back in the egg, but since we're air frying it, we're gonna leave it as is, just like this. And you air fry it. Look at that, beautiful. Look at my fingers, beautiful.
Here's our little helper.
You helping? She's waiting for something to fall. You can't be eating raw chicken there, crazy girl. All right.
Gonna need some more breadcrumbs.
Boom. And smell? So good. All right. Well, we got four. Four should be enough for us, right? Mm-hmm. If you guys are cooking for, you know, a bunch of people, obviously use more chicken. But. And here's all the chicken cutlets, all breaded and ready to go. All right. We got our air fryer. We got it free from our casino. Thank you, casino. I appreciate it. They love me. I know. We're going to take our chicken. Just lay it down. Lay it down nicely. Here we go. Lay it down, baby. Ooh, that look good. All right, let's get our second tier up here. Boom. Oh my God.
Oh, there was another.
There's another piece. Oh, more chicken for us.
I just threw it out.
More chicken for us. That's
we
okay.
clean up as we go, so
here we go. Nice fat juicy piece. We're gonna put it that way. All right, we're gonna rebread those and then we'll get them in here and we'll show you guys. All right. All right. Now they got all your chicken in. It's called the big boss because I'm the big boss, you know. Here we go. Clip it in. We are going to say what? Chicken 375. Okay, something like that. 35 minutes. It ain't going to take 35 minutes. It's going to be locked. Probably going to be like 20 minutes. I think last time it
took like 20 minutes, yeah.
Yeah. But we're going to leave it in there and boom, look at that go. It's the healthy way. What's for the sides, babe?
We're going to make some green beans and we're going to have a nice salad.
Ooh, yummy.
Loads of garlic.
We love garlic. Love it.
All right.
Garlic in the pan.
Now we're gonna take some olive oil. Put a little olive oil in here. All right, now we're gonna grab some green beans. It's the package.
All right, and we're having a salad also on the side of the green beans. We're gonna have these little leaf farm salad here. We're gonna have some carrots and some cucumbers. Update on the chicken. It's been just about 10 minutes. It's looking absolutely yummy. All right, show them how you do the salad, baby. Don't be giving yourself more than me now.
You know what I like to eat? Cucumbers.
All right. Beautiful.
You can hear those green beans sizzling. Carrots.
Okay. Okay. Yummy.
Then we pick our favorite salad dressing.
And voila.
Okay, just set the table for us. Now just waiting on the food.
Now we chow down, baby. Bon appetit. Oh, take a picture, babe. Ooh, yours look good.
Gotta Instagram it.
I hope you guys learned a little bit of how to air fry some chicken cutlets and enjoy.